Welcome to AAP KAA Home Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and practical home design solutions. Are you dreaming of the perfect duplex house? Look no further. In this channel, we bring you cutting-edge designs tailored to your lifestyle. Picture this, a spacious ground floor boasting a cozy 1 BHK layout with an open kitchen and dining area. Perfect for those who love to entertain or simply enjoy quality family time. Plus, a dedicated pooja space adds a touch of tranquility to your home. As we ascend to the first floor, discover 2 luxurious bedrooms, each with its own attached bath for utmost convenience and privacy. Need a breather? Step out onto the separate balcony and soak in the serene surroundings. Join us on AAP KAA Home Designs as we embark on a journey to redefine modern living. Subscribe now, and let's turn your dream home into a reality. Let's check ground floor room inside dimensions. As you step into your home, you are greeted by a spacious car parking area measuring 8 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 9 inches, ensuring convenient access to your vehicle right at your doorstep. From there, make your way through the inviting veranda and foyer measuring 5 feet by 7 feet, setting the tone for the elegance that lies ahead. Enter the expansive living hall measuring 11 feet by 16 feet, where comfort meets sophistication, providing the perfect backdrop for memorable family gatherings. Find solace and spirituality in the dedicated pooja room measuring 7 feet by 4 feet 4 inches, a serene space for reflection and devotion. Adjacent to the living hall, discover the spacious dining area measuring 14 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 4 inches, where culinary delights and cherished moments come together. Embrace the joy of cooking in the open kitchen measuring 9 feet by 9 feet, designed to inspire your culinary creativity and cater to your every need. Finally, retreat to the master bedroom with an attached bath measuring 11 feet by 13 feet, offering privacy, comfort, and luxury at its finest. Experience the epitome of luxury living with our meticulously crafted ground floor plan. Subscribe to AAP KAA Home Designs for more architectural wonders and let us help you create the home of your dreams. Now let's check first floor dimensions. Ascending the staircase, you're welcomed into the spacious family hall measuring 14 feet 6 inches by 15 feet, where laughter and love fill the air, creating unforgettable memories. Discover comfort in every corner as we unveil the bedrooms. In the northwest corner, find a cozy retreat measuring 11 feet by 13 feet 3 inches, complete with an attached bath and balcony, offering serene views and tranquility. In the southwest corner, another bedroom awaits, measuring 11 feet by 13 feet, boasting its own attached bath for added convenience. Plus, a common bath, measuring 4 feet by 9 feet, ensures every member of the family has their own space. Step outside onto the front and back balconies, where you can bask in the beauty of the surroundings, taking in the fresh air and enjoying moments of relaxation. Experience the epitome of luxury living with our meticulously crafted first floor plan. Subscribe to AAP KAA Home Designs for more architectural wonders and let us help you create the home of your dreams. Feel free to use this script for your YouTube channel, highlighting the dimensions and features of each room on the first floor.